Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can set the charging rate limiter. So at the first you have to move for the settings, then tap on the battery, and right now we have to go for the battery care. And we can easily set the rate limiter by tapping on the slow charging. As you can see, we can change from the 10 to the 18 watts, and of course this feature is only available when you are using the slow charging feature. And if you wonder why you have to use it, it's because we are extending the battery lifespan when we are charging our phone slowly. And as you can see, in my case, we can find the good habits, and that's how we can take care of your battery in the ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.